If you're trying to find a recently watched reel on your Instagram account that you've completely lost, then keep on watching because I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's say that I've been scrolling on Instagram Reels, and wow, this video is really good. Everyone knows the situation. This guy's playing with his gym weights. Let's say I really like this video, blah, blah. I liked it. Scrolled on. I like this video as well. There's so many videos that I liked, but then I exit out of the app, and then I want to go back to that funny weight video. And then what you want to do is click on the Reels button, and basically, if you scroll back up, then you could actually find it right here. So you can see I found it. So if you haven't logged out of your Instagram account or basically hasn't been a really long time, then you can simply just click on this button and then you can find it right here. However, if you let's say that we've logged out just like that, and then we reopen Instagram and then we try that method again, it will not work, and then it'll just bring you a new set of reels. So basically what you want to do now is go to your profile and then click on the 3 lines on the top right corner, and then now you want to click on your activity. From here, you want to scroll down and find interactions right over here. Just click on that. And then since we liked that reel, we can click on the likes. And as you can see, it is right over here.